we choose to stay. I don't know where this may go. These strangers know all the words at my shows. I tell she loving our style. Shit makes her face red whenever I smile. I lay down, takes off her clothes. Wake up, I leave for the door. Tell myself I don't need a drink. I got champagne iced in the sink. They keep calling me for the link. Music's there, but damn, still I think I need you. Words that I say, East Coast to West Coast, we rhyming all day. I really do mean what I say. New York City to LA, got me feeling like, oh no, we bout to blow. We just lay down 6 hit songs in a row. You've been told, it's time you should know.
Now to get your girlfriend in the mood, here's a little number by Quinn.
Hey baby, come inside of my room. I need you to leave out all of that news. I need you by my love in this song, because you love me. You don't want me out of your sight, but I can't stay here all of these nights. You need me by your side in this song, because you love me. In the bed, start squeaking, that's the sound of the weekend. Left my problems to dry, I'm lounging out in the deep end. I can choose whenever I wanna sleep in, so tell me where to go, and they can start peeping. Songs off my new album, shit ain't even got a title. Just started singing already, shit on your idols. Smiling back at me as they rotated on vinyl. Sun-shaded vibes fill up a room and bloom with my arrival. Roll one up, then you pour one out. 5 a.m. when we go to sleep, and I'll be up and I'm feeling good. This is how it's supposed to be. Roll one up, then you pour one out. 5 a.m. when we go to sleep, and I'll be up and I'm feeling good. This is how it's supposed to be. Words that I say, downtown the lights out, but we choose to stay. I don't know where this may go. These strangers know all the words at my shows. I tell she loving our style. Shit makes her face red whenever I smile. I lay down, takes off her clothes. Wake up, I leave for the door.